My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the browser pop-ups and scary alerts that are coming from the site Bochus.click or simply Bochus.click. These pop-ups are absolutely fake. They claim to be related to some well-known security program, but they are not related to that program. All these pop-ups attempt to deceive you and to trick you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted programs. But if you decide to install them, you actually may be redirected to some other junk sites. And these supported programs, they actually are absolutely fake. They are fake security cleaners. They are potentially unwanted applications that do more damage than actually helping. So you should not interact with all those pop-ups. We recommend you to research the control panel of your device. Carefully look at the list of the programs, and if you find any applications that are not familiar to you, if you find any programs you don't remember installing directly, get rid of them. I also recommend researching your device additionally with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. Combo Cleaner can be found on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button. It will help you to detect and delete all other threats like annoying ads, pop-ups, and other traces of adware on your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.